Tyrosol was started in 1947. My family acquired it in 1973. So Tyrosol has been part of the Sion Sanghi group since 1973.
Tyrosol is the largest retreading facility in India. We have 3 exclusive plants spread across 4 acres of land. Each plant dedicated to truck and LCV tires, agricultural tires and earth mover tires. With an overall production capacity of 25,000 tires per month, presently we are retreading around 15,000 tires both in bias ply as well as radial tire segments. We have a highly skilled workforce of around 150 production staff who are continuously trained on various processes of retreading.
So we work with our customers, understand their requirement, understand how their vehicles are moving, and figure out ways to help them lower their costs.
We are closely connected with our customers through our 80 strong sales staff along with around 115 dealers and marketing partners spread across the country.
Today we are taking only Tyrosol services. Reason is that they are more professional remolders as compared to others. The mileage is coming like 75,000 kilometers, which is equivalent, very close to the new tires, and this is the value for the money. And one more thing, the value for the relationship.
टायरसोल की टीम खुद आके यहाँ पर टायर इंस्पेक्शन करती है। टायर इंस्पेक्शन करके जो प्रोसेस बनने लायक टायर है वो पूरे पिकअप करते हैं, प्रोसेस करके टाइम पर डिलीवरी देते हैं। ऐसा सर्विस और किसी कंपनी का नहीं है।
अदर कंपनी में बनाने के लिए 3-4 दिन लगता है, लेकिन हमारे कंपनी में वैसा नहीं। 24 घंटे में कस्टमर को हम डिलीवरी देते हैं, इसलिए कस्टमर बहुत खुश है।
हमारा कंपनी का एकदम स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी है। इस क्वालिटी की वजह से हमारे को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा धंधा मिल सकता है।
The feedback that I get from drivers as far as the Tyrosol tires are concerned, the quality is better, the life is better.
नीता ट्रैवल्स का टायर का जो रिट्रेडिंग होता है, कम से कम 2 से 3 बार उनका रिमोल्डिंग हो जाता है और परफॉर्मेंस भी उसका अच्छा मिलता है।
Now the technology is so advanced, retreaded tire gives better life than the new tire. That is what is required in the market because the cost of the tires is going up like anything.
Today the radial tires are handled easily, and with the latest technology like Rima Tip Top, my business has grown up, and I'm very much thankful to Tyrosol.
In the last few years, we switched from diesel boilers to recycled agro waste boilers. So we are even more environmentally friendly.
When you retread a truck tire, you save 20 liters of crude oil. Last year, Tyrosol saved 3 million liters of crude oil for the nation.
Our association with Tyrosol has been for about more than 15-20 years now. And giving the organization a structure at the same time maintaining the cost structure that they are offering on the table is fantastic, and we look forward to having a great association with them in the future as well.
In the end, Tyrosol is in business because we help our customers save money.